Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're given the following interesting radical equation. The square root of x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. I'm going to figure out if there's any real solution for x. But let us think about the following. We know when we have the radical of x, the domain of this equation is given by x is greater than or equal to 0, right? X cannot be negative. But here, if you want to check out for the domain of x here, then we're going to consider x plus 1 to be greater than or equal to 0. And when you subtract 1 from both sides, so we get that x must be greater than or equal to negative 1. Of which we can see that this negative 2 is not in the domain, right? Numbers greater than or equal to negative 1, we have negative 1, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, and so on. We know negative 1 is greater than negative 2, so this is obviously telling us that there is no real solution to this problem, right? Now let us do the following. For those that are thinking that the square root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2, this is obviously wrong, right? When we mean the square root, the radical, we are talking about the principal square root. So what do we do here? Let's square both sides first to eliminate the radical at the left hand side. So we have the square root of x plus 1 whole squared. This is equal to negative 2 squared. From the left hand side, the square gets cancelled with the square root. Then we're left with x plus 1. This is equal to negative 2 squared is giving us 4. Subtract 1 from both sides. Here we have a solution that x is equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3. Now let us check if this will satisfy the given equation. From the left hand side, we have the square root of x plus 1, that this is equal to negative 2. Now plugging in x as 3, we get the following. The square root of 3 plus 1, which is equal to the square root of 4. Now we know when we talk about the square root of 4 in this form, we're talking about the principal square root. Therefore, the square root of 4 is not equal to the right hand side, which is negative 2. Therefore, there is no solution for x. So no solution exists for x. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.